Hello everyone and welcome to the Unbelievable Universe. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that has been the subject of much debate: how AI will replace the jobs of laborers in the world. Artificial intelligence is becoming more and more advanced, and it's no secret that it will have a major impact on the world of work. In many industries, AI is already starting to replace human labor, and this trend is likely to continue in the future. The rise of AI is expected to lead to the loss of many jobs that are currently performed by human laborers. From manual labor to administrative tasks, AI is capable of taking over a wide range of jobs, and this will have a significant impact on the world of work. While the loss of jobs is a concern, it's important to remember that AI also has many advantages. For example, AI can work 24/7 without taking breaks, and it can perform repetitive tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans. This will lead to increased productivity and reduced costs for businesses. However, the rise of AI also has many disadvantages. For example, AI will lead to job losses, and it will also increase economic inequality, as those who are most affected by the loss of jobs are likely to be the ones who are already struggling to make ends meet. In conclusion, the rise of AI will have a major impact on the world of work, and it will likely lead to the loss of many jobs currently performed by human laborers. While AI has many advantages, it also has many disadvantages, and it's important to consider both sides of the debate when making decisions about the future of work. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Unbelievable Universe for more interesting content. Hello everyone and welcome to the Unbelievable Universe. Today, we're going to be discussing a